I played a lot of sports. I played soccer, baseball, and football, and I was always active. I was always, playing inside the house, playing with my dad. So I did, I think more than the average person did, bare feet. I always walk around barefoot. But yeah, with this training, I think, able to, take what I had, already and build off of it and, improve as a player athletically. And I think I'm more stable. I feel quicker. I feel lighter on the ball. Like my body feels good when I'm training. I never really feel sore. And I train 2 or 3 times a day, you know. So yeah, I mean, I really enjoyed the training. I think it was helpful, and yeah, I was able to learn a lot from it, and I think I can learn a lot from it going forward too. And yeah.
Great. So the test that the doctor did with the landing balance, right? So you had a right side dominant, and then now it's even.
Yeah. The test was probably 11 months ago, and then it was really right side dominant when I landed, and then yeah, now it's completely even. The doctor was pretty surprised, and then everything else is really balanced in my body, and the other test they gave me. So
Great. And there was a 2-inch, I mean 2 centimeter for the vertical increase.
yeah, I mean, I think 2 centimeters, but when I retest, with arms, I think it'll be a greater increase, and I also think I didn't have the right shoes on for that test, so I'll redo it and I can let you know. But there is for sure more than 2 or 3 centimeter increase, and I think I improved athletically too, so that's good.
Right. Well, we're gonna keep on working at this and get you even better.